In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in video in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to apply a quick zoom and how to create a smooth, gradual zoom that feels professional and polished. Start by opening your project in Shotcut and selecting the clip you want to zoom. Make sure the clip is highlighted so any changes apply to the right piece of footage. Next, head to the Filters tab at the top, click the plus icon to add a new filter, and in the search bar, type Zoom. From the results, choose the filter called Size, Position, and Rotate. This is the tool that gives you control over enlarging the image and shifting its framing. With the filter active, you can zoom in immediately in two ways. You can click and drag the handles in the preview window to resize and reposition your video, or you can use the size slider in the filter controls to increase the zoom level. As soon as you press play, you'll notice the video is already zoomed in from the start. That's expected because a single filter setting creates a static zoom that applies the whole time. If you want the zoom to happen gradually, you'll use keyframes. First, set your starting zoom and framing with the same filter, so Shotcut knows where the animation begins. Now click the keyframe button for that filter. You'll see controls that let you animate the change over time, including a small circle at the top of the clip that represents the keyframe timeline for this effect. When a message appears saying it will remove all advanced keyframes to enable simple keyframes, go ahead and confirm. This lets you keep the animation easy and straightforward. After confirming, adjust that circle to control where the zoom starts and how long it takes to reach the zoomed-in look. As you drag, think about pacing. Shorter distances make a faster zoom, while longer distances create a gentle cinematic drift. Play the clip to preview the movement. You should now see a smooth zoom that grows into the frame instead of jumping there immediately. A few quick tips to help it look great. Keep your subject centered as you zoom so nothing important gets cropped out. And avoid pushing the zoom too far, or you may see softness. If you need more precision, make small adjustments and preview frequently until it feels right. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in video in Shotcut, either instantly or with a smooth, gradual motion. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.